Hi friends, good evening. This is Sachin Nachnani and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get started with the option chain analysis for Nifty. We'll do this for tomorrow, that's 15th of December, for the expiry week of 17th of December. So Nifty today closed at 13,558 level, up by 44 points or 0.33%. Nifty futures on the other hand closed at 13,571, so that's a premium of about 13 points. Now remember, in my yesterday's video I had told you that the premium was just about 5 points as of Friday closing. So there is a slight increase and I told you that this is definitely possible because 5 points premium in less than 2 weeks was a little less, especially in a strong market that we are in right now. However, this is still much less as compared to the around 46 points premium that we had at the end of Thursday's session. So again, Nifty continues to be call savvy with 2.92 crore shares of open interest on the call side as compared to 2.58 crore shares on the put side. This is similar to position as of Friday day end. The highest position on the put side continues to be at the 13,000 strike, and as I have told you that we can safely ignore this. Other than that, the next highest position of 24.7 lakh shares open interest is at 13,500 strike. Incidentally, that has also seen the highest amount of open interest addition of over 4.1 lakh shares. The premium is around 66 rupees as of now. On the call side, the highest open interest of 32 lakh shares is at 13,600, and that has also witnessed the highest change in open interest with an addition of over 8 lakh shares. The premium over here is just about 71 rupees. So effectively 13,500 and 13,600, which are roughly 50 points away from today's closing, have the highest amount of open interest on the put side and on the call side. Now let's have a look at the daily chart of Nifty, and what we are seeing right now is, well, another doji like candle today. So where the open of 13,570 was almost same as 13,558. Of course, there is some small 12 points difference, and this is despite Nifty closing higher by 44 points. But what is interesting to see here is that this is the third consecutive day of a doji, and again today's high of 13,597 was not able to touch the 13,600 resistance mark, which I have been trying to explain it to you in the last 2-3 videos. So as I've repeatedly said, that 13,600 will continue to be a resistance level for the next few days as well. However, because we are continuously witnessing doji and the market is still in a strong trend, uptrend, the 13,600 resistance level can get crossed either by a gap up or by a strong up move. When that happens, we don't know. Could it happen tomorrow? Could it happen on Thursday or Wednesday? We don't know. But till the time that level is crossed, we will continue playing the range of 13,600 and 13,300 to 400 on the lower side. Also, the volumes today are not very significant, but that's really okay. One good thing about today's move was that intraday Nifty was not able to cross the previous day low of Friday session. So that is a slightly positive thing. So basis our option chain analysis and the reading of charts, what will be my strategy for tomorrow? Well, I'll again keep it very simple. I'll sell the 13,400 put option, which currently has 36 rupees premium. Tomorrow, of course, it can come down unless there is a big gap down. And I will sell the 13,700 call option, which incidentally again has a premium of around 36 rupees. So 35, 36 rupees. Of course, it's just a coincidence. What is important is that we are trying to stay around 150 points away from the closing levels of Nifty, so that we are protected at least on one of the sides, even if there is a sharp move. Of course, once the option becomes in the money, we will square it off, whatever be the price and whenever it happens. But looking at the chart structure, as of now, this move looks very safe. Of course, this is based on the probability that we are seeing right now. Depending on how the Nifty opens tomorrow, we will have to change the levels, or how it moves intraday, we may have to change the levels. But for now, 13,400 to 13,400 for the put side and 13,700 on the call side is where I am comfortable selling the options. I will sell options in the same ratio, that is for every one call option that I sell, I will sell one put option. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty closed at 13,746 points, up by 141 points or 0.46%. What is important to note again here is that Bank Nifty continues to outperform Nifty on up move days, and the reverse happens when it falls. So Bank Nifty falls much more sharply, and that is why it underperforms Nifty on days when the overall trend is down. The premium on Bank Nifty futures is now only 42 points. Of course, this is slightly higher than the Friday's closing session premium of around 5 points, but it is still much lower than what was the premium of on Thursday, and the premium was 111 points. So basically the premiums on Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures both have come down as compared to Thursday, but they are slightly higher as compared to Friday's closing level. Again, just like Nifty and earlier sessions of Bank Nifty, the open interest on the call side is higher as compared to the put side. So almost 1.1 crore shares open interest on the call side as compared to only 91 lakh open interest on the put side. The highest open interest on the put side for Bank Nifty of 9.8 lakh shares is at 30,500 strike, and which is where you have seen the highest open interest addition also of over 3.3 lakh shares. Similarly, on the call side, 31,000 continues to have the highest open interest of over 13.6 lakh shares, and that has also again witnessed the highest open interest addition. And it's almost similar to the previous session, because though Nifty and Bank Nifty both were up, they were still trading in a very narrow range, and Nifty and Bank Nifty both have closed like a doji. We will see that in the next section. So here is the chart of Bank Nifty, and what we are seeing is a very small doji candle. It's really very small, but it is nevertheless a doji. Why? Open was 30,730, close was 30,746. So just about 16 points difference between open and close. However, the intraday range was nearly 200 points. Similar to Nifty, this candle has not crossed yesterday's low, but it has just about touched the previous day's high. However, 31,000 continues to be an important resistance level for Bank Nifty, and in my opinion 30,000 will be a good support level, because we have continuously seen 3 dojis on the daily chart of Bank Nifty. There is a probability that there can be an up move tomorrow, and I am saying an up move tomorrow because the market continues to be still strong. However, till the time it happens, we will follow our own strategy, and of course in case of a sharp gap down, the Bank Nifty can go to 30,000 levels or slightly below that also. So like I keep saying, we'll have to take it each day as it comes, and that's why I'm preparing these videos for you, for your benefit on a daily basis, so I can share the strategy dynamically every day. Again, the volumes today are not really very significant. So what will be my strategy for Bank Nifty? Again, I'll try to keep it simple, because Bank Nifty, just like Nifty, is also consolidating. It's not giving a clear trend. Until the time we find a clear direction, we will follow the strategy of selling both put and call options. So as of now, what I'll be selling is, I'll be selling the 30,000 put option on Bank Nifty, which currently has a premium of around 79 rupees. Needless to say, it can come down tomorrow because of some decay, and if there is some gap up. And on the call side, I will be selling the 31,500 call option. Again, it's a coincidence that both have a premium of 79 rupees. What is important over here is that I am trying to sell roughly 700 to 800 points away from the prevailing level of Bank Nifty. So I'm giving a room of roughly 2% to Bank Nifty to move in either of the direction. And if it is volatile, if it moves up and down, up and down, up and down, the benefit that we will have is that the premiums will come down in both the cases. That is for put side and the call side. Of course, this cannot continue forever, but someday it will change. Till the time the consolidation happens on as it has been going on for the last 3 trading sessions. I believe this will be a very simple strategy to adopt and play in the current environment. Just like Nifty, the proportion of calls and puts to be sold will remain the same. So for every one call that you sell, you will also sell one put option. Effectively, the idea is if the bank Nifty remains in a narrow range, we get to pocket the entire premium. And of course, if it gives a trending move on either of the side, we will change our strategy as and when there is a move on bank Nifty. So that's it from my end today, friends. You have a good trading week ahead, and do let me know your doubts, questions, and ideas in the comment section. Take care, and thanks for watching this video.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.